Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you on how the magic of the iPhone 11 Pro camera works, and we're going to be turning Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus footage into iPhone 11 Pro footage simply using Final Cut Pro magic. And this is a very simple trick. You can do it yourselves at home, and for you guys, stay tuned because I'm actually working on an Android camera app that will do this magic for you auto-magically. Alright, let's get to it. Final Cut Pro, I'll show you how easy you can turn your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus footage into iPhone 11 Pro quality. Alright, what I have right here is the iPhone 11 Pro. Look at it, gorgeous, beautiful, model is well exposed, the background looks gorgeous, the skies looks blue, maybe the picture is a bit dark overall, but it still looks glorious. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, what are you doing? The sky is overblown. The model actually looks bright, it's nice, bit too golden for me, but the big thing that ruins this shot is because she's bright and the background is so bright, you can't really see the detail in the hair, you can't see what's going on. So side by side, looking at it, you can see, okay, she's darker, she's brighter, but it's the background that really ruins it. The quality of the Note 10 Plus is actually good, it's just the background that ruins it. Before, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, after, boom shakalaka. What is that? We've recovered the skies. It looks nice and beautiful. Now this isn't iPhone 11 Pro footage. This is actually footage coming out of the Note 10 Plus. Don't believe me? Well, look at it again. Side by side, iPhone 11 Pro, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Side by side, iPhone 11 Pro, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. They look identical. We recovered all the details from the sky, and because we've got that contrast now, you can actually see the beauty. If you zoom in, see what's going on. Look at it right there. You can see, actually, it's probably even more blurry on the Note than the iPhone 11 Pro. Look at that, it's too sharp. So, the Samsung Galaxy Note's cameras are actually better quality than the iPhone's cameras, but it's the software that lets it down. Now, look, this is the Note 10 Plus's footage. This is what it looks like out of the box. And this is Note 10 Plus's footage, fixed, corrected, and it was easily done. I'll show you exactly how to do it. So, we got Note 10 Plus footage right over here. All you do, drag a second layer of it. Now we have two layers of the exact same video. We're going to composite them together. We're going to make the top layer 40% transparent. So I'm going to modify the opacity to 60. That means 60% solid, 40% transparent. It's easy stuff. Then we're going to go to the bottom layer and we're going to add a bit of color correction. Boom, color correction done. All we did was just brought down the midtones and a little bit of the highlights. That is it. Look, starting from the starting position here. Sky is very overblown. Bring it down. You can actually see the details in the sky now. Amazing. Highlights, overblown. Details in the sky now. And she doesn't change whatsoever. It's that opacity trick. That's it. It's done. Easy as. This isn't even a hard effect. If anyone knows anyone at Samsung, just fix it in software yourselves. But, of course, like I said, I've already released a camera app for iOS, MULTICAM Pro, that allows you to record from the front and the back and the ultra wide and the telephoto all at the same time. And I will be releasing an app for Android which will do this amazingness for you automatically. Stay tuned for that. Hope you learned something, and I hope you enjoyed the show as always.